Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the government subsidy mode in Farming Simulator 25. Let's get started. First, open the game and go to the downloadable content section. From there, navigate to most downloaded. You'll see first option listed as government subsidy. Click on it and install the mode. Once installed, load your game and press P on your keyboard to access the menu. Next, go to Constructions and find the Government Subsidy mode under the Generators section. Now click on the mode. You can hover your mouse over the area where you want to place the sign. It's entirely up to you where you want to position it. Once placed, press F on your keyboard to customize the amount of money you will receive every month. And that's it. You are set to use the government subsidy mode in Farming Simulator 25. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this. See you in the next one.